Guys, today in this video we are learning the Python random module. So random is a Python module that implements random values from any list, set, object, string, etc. So let's try it. Import random. We can import it by here. So now, for example, print random.randint 1 to 1. I mean random.random. So let's run it. We can see it is giving a random value. Multiply by 18. You can see. So next is random method. 1 to, for example, 100. It will return a random value from 1 to 100. We can type here 50, for example, 38. So next is we can choose
List.
a random Chana cherry date and elder value. Now we can print random.choice A. It will randomly select any element from the list. So that's. Now we can also do something. Next we can also do something A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now we can print random.choice A. So it will return any random string from this string, like K. Okay, that's. Next is we can print random dot. So guys, in next video we are doing an exercise. We are learning how to make a guess the number game using random module. So it is the next exercise we will be learn. So that's it. And if you are Muslim, so Eid Mubarak to everyone and goodbye.